Good afternoon, Bastien from BVN Real Estate. We are today visiting a home called Casa 72. 72 means 72 and is the year of building of the house. It resists to an earthquake that happened the same year. So the owner gives this year as name for this house. It's a block and a half from the beach of San Juan del Sur. It's amazing. So here I'm on like an upstairs living room. It's a type of loft mezzanine style. It's used as TV room, and there is sofa that could be convertible on beds to receive. It's a house that is used for rental a lot. So here has been add also beds to create like a fifth room. You have here a balcony. I'm here on the third level of the building. So there is like stairs a bit everywhere. So you need to be young in shape to like this property. I'm outside here on the small balcony. And we listen to the wave. So here is my road access. We are in town. I'm going back to the property. So on this level you have a bathroom, and there is also like a desk, an office space that the owner uses. This one is good if you want to have a relaxed office far from your kid. And here, one bathroom. We go down and we have at this level one bedroom, all is in wood. It's my house also is all in wood, and actually I love be barefoot and listening the wood moving. So here I see there is my parking lot, my entrance gate. It's a walled and gated property. Access down to have the garden on the side and the pool. Yeah, the swimming pool is very small, but it's very well designed. So it's a double door here. It's closed from one side and open from another. Okay. Going down on the, I would say at the end is the first level of the property. It's like also a loft style, open to one living room. And we have on this level 3 bedrooms. All of them are equipped with ceiling fans and air conditioning. Also they have like cabinets to store your clothes. The second bedrooms on this level. Here they had 2 beds, it's a bit bigger. Very spacious, and you see the high ceiling with sugar can or cans. And the third bedrooms. It could totally be like a kind of a hotel, small hotel boutique. The bathroom is nice, no stair to get in. It's perfect. A lot of lights everywhere, and it's still fresh. So we go now on the almost the bottom level. Is the living room. It's where you receive your guests at night. You have here a sofa area. Access to the kitchen and the entrance. You see that the windows are all colorful, is very light. I arrive on the concrete floor, and here is my family kitchen. A very large dining room with long table. Kitchen is on the other side, so access and you pass the plates from this part of the kitchen. We have access to the bottom part here, my parking lot, another salon. This one is the fresher part of the property. Laundry room and service room, a toilet here, and we have our kitchen. So it's a large kitchen. We go now in the garden. And we see the pool. So you have another area, living room here, diner area under trees, a barbecue, kind of pool bar, and the lounge area with everything to relax. The pool is very small. I think it's a more economic, easier to clean, easy to control, not too deep, you can still swim on it. And our parking lot. So it's a house for rent Long term could be only 3 months for now. Owners is not very interesting to rent for more, or it will be under negotiation. Okay, I wish you had good tours. I love this place. Some family of my parents came there to rent probably like 6 or 7 years ago, and they loved it. So I know the place very well, and I will recommend it hardly. See you. Good afternoon.